Ready to turn your stellar customer reviews into irresistible Google ads that practically scream "click me"? First, navigate to the Ads and Extension section in your Google Ads account. This is where the magic happens. Once you're there, click on Extensions. Next, you'll see a blue plus button. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Review Extension from the options presented. Now, the Review Extension creation window pops up. Choose whether you want to add a review from a credible third-party source or paraphrase a customer quote. I suggest third-party sources for the most trust. Select which third-party source do you want to pull reviews from. This is where you'll tell Google where your glowing reviews are located. Then, it's time to paste the actual review text into the review text box. Add the exact text of the customer review and specify the exact URL where that review lives on the review platform's website. Accuracy is key here to maintain trust and compliance. Under Advanced Options, you can specify mobile preferences and schedule when your review extension appears. This allows you to target peak performance times for your ads. Finally, hit Save. Google will then review your extension to ensure it meets their policies. Once approved, your positive reviews will start appearing directly below your ad, boosting your credibility and click-through rates. That's how you showcase social proof with your Google Ads.